Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete your search history on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete your search history on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to delete your search history. In order to proceed from here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon with your small three-lined icons. Just below the messenger icon, tap on those three-line icon, and over here you will be required to tap on the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of the screen just beside the magnifying glass icon. Tap on that settings guys, and from on this page scroll down until you can find the activity log under the category or activity. Tap on activity log, and over here guys you can see the options where it says public post, public tag, story activity. You can swipe them to the left, swipe them until you can find the search history option available for us. Tap on the search history and all of your search history will be available over here. If you want to delete a particular search history, you can just tap on the three dotted icons at the right side of that search. Tap on that and the delete option will appear at the bottom of the list, and if you tap on delete and delete it, that will be deleted. But if you tap on the clear searches at the top of the list, only all of your searches will be cleared at once, and this is how you delete your search history on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.